Now, welcome to you all in this online class. Very good morning to you all. My dear student, as you know, today's topic of our discussion is map skill or map given the different chapters of your history book. This map work is related with your first chapter, medieval period, right? And the question is on a political map of the world, identify and locate the countries visited by Marco Polo. Okay, as you know, Marco Polo had come from Venice, Italy, right? First of all, to understand this one, you have to know about the route that was chosen by him to visit in this country, right? Okay, first of all, we have to learn this one. Let me to mute you all, and after that, I will unmute you because some sounds are coming. Now, as you know, in this green uh, map, you are looking at the Marco Polo's route that was applied by him, followed, or he used this route to visit in different country, in visiting to different countries. That is from 1260 to 1295 CE. Here you see he has reached, he has started his journey from Venice, Italy, and in this way through the Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, he went in different countries, right? Here Caspian Sea you see, here Iraq, after that Iran, now Pamir, India, China, Indonesia, Turkey, Jakarta, so many things. Now here, for your convenience, I have given the name. Now, in the starting, you are looking at Turkey. Now, question is what? Locate the place or countries visited by Marco Polo. Here, the name of the countries are written, right? Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, India, China, etc. Have you understood? So in this way, you have to learn it. Is it clear? You have to learn it. As we know, uh, here you see these are the name of the place. Okay, Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, India, China. As you have learned here, this one, he has started from this area. Are you looking at now? Through chat box you will see. From Italy he has started. He came in Turkey. After that Iraq, right? Iran, Afghanistan, right? India, China, इसके बाद इधर भी इस एरिया में भी है म्यांमार, दिस एरिया, हाँ, म्यांमार area, right? So these areas he has covered. No doubt he has visited in other countries also, Indonesia also. So first, let you see these countries are here, and you have to write the name. I mean, you have to locate the place. Here you see Turkey. Here it is Turkey. Iraq. Here you see Iraq. Iran, just here. Afghanistan, just now. Just here. India. Okay. So these are the places which were visited by whom? Marco Polo. And you can see this route also. All these countries are near about the sea route. I hope that you have understood it well. So any country it comes by taking the world map on your table, you can do practice by the help of these PPTs. Today, I will upload it and you will have to subscribe. Now, I will send the link as usual. You will not avoid it. You will not leave it to do the work on the basis of this PPTs. Practice daily you do. Minimum 10 minutes or 15 minutes you take, or not less than, you can say, 30 minutes. Take the map and do the practice. Is it clear? So these were the areas. Now, here this side, Myanmar or something. Now, next is what? So this is the area you will have to write now. Now, next is, in this way you have learned. I will erase it. These are the countries which was visited by whom? By. Now, in this way, second one you see, this is the next chapter's map work. On a outline map of India, mark the extent of Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratihara. This is chapter what? 10. This is chapter 10. Have you understood? This is chapter 10, and the question is reflected on your screen. Question is, on an outline map of India, mark the extent of Rashtrakutas, Pala, Pratihara and Rajput kingdoms. Have you understood? Here on the map it is given. Okay, so you have to learn it. As you know, this is of Rajputas, right? This is Rajputas, I mean Rajasthan, southern west area of Rajasthan. And next is Pratiharas from this one, right? These are of Pratiharas. Is it clear? Next is Rashtrakutas. You have learnt already in your book or the previous classes that Pratihara, Gurjar Pratihara used to rule in Gujarat and southwestern Rajasthan. The founder of Pratihara Empire was Nagabhatta I, and the greatest ruler of this dynasty was Mihir Bhoj. So in this way, Gujarat and southwestern area, right? This area was ruled by Pratiharas. And after that, what you have learned? First, you have learned Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakuta used to rule in Gujarat. Here, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Here, a smaller area is given. Originated place is located here. Now, here Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Karnataka. कुछ एरिया में कुछ मैप में आप देखोगे ये एरिया जो है यहाँ तक का एरिया आ जाता है, है, कुछ यहाँ तक का एरिया आ जाता है। लेकिन अगर आपको बुक में कहा जाए कि नेम द प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर दे ओरिजिनेटेड, then you will have to locate only this portion that is given in your book, right? And later on, when Palas emerged as a powerful political power, then he also extended his power in Palas. Here you see Palas, Pratiharas, I'm sorry, here this area, not that area. Now, here Palas, nowadays Bihar, Bengal area. Is it clear? So this area was covered by him. So these are the areas from where you have to which you have to locate and label. Now, as far as matter is concerned with Rajputas, right? Then you have to locate this area, right? ये एरिया जो है ये किसका है? ये मेरा नाम आ रहा है, आप ये नहीं बोलना कि जितेंद्र सिंह का एरिया है. Sorry, I want to say this area is of Rajputas now, and in this way your answer is completed. Or if you are going to answer this question on an outline map of India, mark the extent of Rashtrakuta, Pala, Pratihara and Rajput kingdoms. This is the Rajput kingdoms. Now this is what? Pratihara kingdom, and this one is Pala kingdom, right? In this way, these are the area that you have to locate it. Is it clear? You have to locate it. Is any problem? If you have, you can tell me through your chat box. If you have any problem, you can tell me through your chat box. Now I am going to read your, yes, it is clear, very good. Yes, you will do all these work in your copy or in your CW copy by taking the map. Now you will do the practice on the map, and after that you will locate. Is your understanding regarding map clear? My dear student, tell me. No problem. Very good, sir. All clear. Sir, it is clear. Very good. Thank you. Now let me to do the other work. Now other map. Now next is what? We are going to know about the other one. Now from the next chapter you see, this is the chapter 11, chapter number 11 here. Now this is chapter 11, chapter, I'm sorry, chapter 11. This is the chapter 11, chapter 11. Okay, this is chapter 11. This one is chapter 9 or 10. Chapter 9. Okay. Next you see now chapter 10. अरे इसमें नहीं होगा बेटा ना. अच्छा, इसको अपने से देख लेना. चैप्टर 10. Just now I am trying my best to clear doubt. This is of chapter number 10. Okay. Now you see this is chapter 11. Okay. This is chapter 11. You know, chapter 11, here one question is also, right? Here you see, question is mark the territories of the following kingdoms on an outline map of India. This is of chapter 11. Only two kingdoms you have to locate because both these kingdoms are very close. So clear your all kinds of doubts and confusion by raising your question in the chat box. First, you have to show Cholas. Here you see, this is Cholas. Now, Andhra Pradesh area or Tamil Nadu area, Andhra Pradesh, you can say, last portion. Now, here you see, चेन्नई से नीचे है, यहाँ देखो महाबलीपुरम, कांचीपुरम, तंजावर, हाँ, ये एरिया है। यहाँ आपको लोकेट करना है चोलास का, और सबसे नीचे जो एरिया है सॉदर्न मोस्ट पार्ट, I mean of Tamil Nadu, that is called Pandya's kingdom. In your book it is also given, but when you will get the blank map, you can get some problem. But if your concept is clear, if you know the name of present day state, you can locate it very clearly. So this is the area that is to be located and labeled by you if question comes, or in your home, at your home, you do the practice, right? And revise this work. Do not take as the home or work of one day. By the help of your pencil, you can do the practice 3-4 times on the same map by locating or rubbing, erasing the work. I hope that you all will do. So this is the question. The Cholas areas and Cholas area and Pandya's area, right? Cholas area and Pandya area. This is Pandya area, right? This is this area is of Cholas and other is Pandyas. Okay. So now in this way, this one, okay, here I have to write what? Pandyas. No? Pandyas. ये बहुत ऊपर चला गया बाहर, तो ऐसा नहीं होना है। ये एरिया पांड्यास का है, ठीक है? ये एरिया किसका है? पांड्यास का है। इज इट क्लियर? ये पांड्यास का एरिया है, हम इसको इधर ले लेंगे। ओके, दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ पांड्यास, ठीक है? अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? ये देखना, वी हैव टू सी वेयर दिस एरिया इज देयर नाउ। तो ये एरिया यहाँ है, थोड़ा सा इधर कर देंगे, इसको आगे कर देंगे, इसको थोड़ा इधर कर दें, ठीक है? तो ये एरिया इधर है। और दूसरा क्या है? ये चोला का एरिया है, राइट? ये चोला का एरिया है, एज यू हैव नोन। चोलास का है, एज यू नो, चोलास, राइट? ये चोला का एरिया है। आई होप दैट you have learnt it well. I think it is clear. You will do it. Okay? Any problem? If you have problem, you can tell me. Right? Now next is other chapters. You see here this one. Now question is, on the outline map of India, right? On the outline map of India, you have to locate on the outline map of Asia, mark the following places from where the Turkish invaders had come. Right? Now you see, this is the map of Asia. Right? Here, this is the map of Asia. No doubt some area of Europe has also are here. I mean, just like here you see this area. As you know, this area is of um, now you see this area, actually ये एरिया जो है, ये सब एरिया, ये जो एरिया है, हाँ, ये सब एरिया जो है, सॉरी, ये सब जो एरिया है, हाँ, ये सब यूरोप का एरिया आ जाता है। आप एशिया की ओर देखें, ठीक है, तो आपको ये देखना है। क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका? प्लेसेस फ्रॉम वेयर द टर्किश इन्वेडर कैम। एज यू नो, टर्किश इन्वेडर हैड कम फ्रॉम Turkey. You have learned now the name of Muhammad Ghori and Kutubuddin Aibak, Mahmud Ghaznavi, etc. Actually, all of them had come from Afghanistan, from Ghor area, right? From Ghor area. Actually, they came from this Turkey or Iraq area, right? This is wrong. It should not be. इसको हटा देते हैं। ये मैंने आपको कहा था क्या? ओके, ये आ गया इसमें। ये देखिए, ये एरिया जो हम लोगों के पास है, तो ये इराक है। ये एरिया से होते हुए ये अफगानिस्तान है, जहां गोर, राइट, गजनी, all these areas are here, were here, and they came to attack India to control, right? Actually, they came from this way to India, right, to control it. So we have to locate which area? This one, right? इराक, अफगानिस्तान, यानी गजनी से वो गोर आए थे, तो इराक भी हो जाएगा, अफगानिस्तान भी आप लोकेट कर दो, चलेगा। इज इट क्लियर? तो ये मैप आपको लेना है और बहुत इजी है। इंडिया देखो, पाकिस्तान, बाय द वे, in the old map it will not be written, suppose, and if not, then you say just in the west side, with western side, Pakistan is there. After Pakistan, Afghanistan is there. Just left side of Pakistan, Iran is there, and west to Iran, Iraq is here. Now that will be the outline map, and you can know it very clearly. So this area you can write. Okay. In this way, these are the area to which you have to write. Now next is what? And this chapter is from which? Turkish invasion. Now Turkish invasion. What is the chapter number? Turkish invasion, chapter number 13, right? Chapter number 12, right? Chapter number 12. तो इससे आपका ये क्वेश्चन है, आप इसको बनाओगे। I hope that it is clear. Now, next is this one. places which the Turkish had conquered in India. ओ ये एक स्लाइड थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो गया है, समझ गए? पहले आपने जो पढ़ा कि टर्किश का ये, हाँ ये टर्किश यहाँ है, टर्किश 4 है ना, यस यस टर्किश, यस सेम है, ये भी चैप्टर क्या है 12 ही है, प्लेसेस वेयर टर्किश इन्वेडेड। वो आपने जो पढ़ा पहले वो इस था क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, और ये बी पार्ट है, इसमें प्लेसेस विच द टर्किश इन्वेडर्स हैड कंकर्ड इन इंडिया। यू हैव सीन Mahmud Ghazni had attacked India, and he captured this area that is called Mathura. Here located, Mathura is in UP. Mathura, Nagarkot. Nagarkot is actually in Nepal. You do not see that it is in India. Okay, it was in Nepal. So Nagarkot was also attacked, captured. First Mathura you see. After that Kannauj, this area of UP is known as Kannauj. It is nowadays in district also. तो ये कन्नौज भी उन्होंने जीता था, और नेक्स्ट है थानेसर, दैट इज इन वेयर, दैट इज इन हरियाणा, राइट, दैट इज इन हरियाणा। Okay, so in this way, this area was conquered by whom? Mahmud Ghaznavi, and in this way you can locate. I think here there is no need to highlight because name I have already written. Is it clear? Nagarkot in Nepal, Mathura, Kannauj in UP, Thanesar in Haryana, हिसार भी शायद अगर है तो वो भी कहाँ है? हरियाणा में ही है। ओके, so now this is the question. Now next is here. On an outline map of India, locate and label the following. I hope that it is chapter number 13, right? Delhi Sultanate. So here names are given. Delhi, you are looking at here, Delhi is there, right? Now, Delhi is clear, it is clearly shown. So Delhi is here. Now here it is indicated by an arrow. Next Panipat in Haryana, right? After that Jaunpur in UP, here Jaunpur, Hisar, Haryana. So in this way Haryana, two places, Panipat and Hisar, right? Panipat and Hisar, right? Panipat and Hisar. Here you see Delhi, right? This one. Here, this one, what? Panipat, right? Here, Jaunpur, this one, Hisar also, and Devgiri in Maharashtra, right? Devgiri in Maharashtra. All these questions are clearly visible, I think. And you know, this Devgiri was made the capital of Muhammad bin Tughlaq by replacing his capital from Delhi. He changed the capital from Delhi to Devgiri. It is also called Daulatabad also because Daulatabad fort is here. So by mistake, if you have learned that Devgiri was in Andhra Pradesh, forget it. It is in Maharashtra, right? Devgiri in Maharashtra. Yes. You have to, Unnati Sinha, you have to locate the states only. No, better it will be place, right? अगर मान लो स्टेट है, स्टेट में कहीं दिखाना है, लेकिन अब ये नहीं कि नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट में ज्यादा चेंज आ जाए. You should try to show the exact, but if it is not possible, near about also you can show. Okay, but do the practice. When you will do the practice by the map, now you can search the net, map of India. You will write where is Panipat in Haryana, where is Delhi in India is this side, where is Hisar in Haryana, where is Devgiri in Maharashtra. It will be clearly visible. Have you understood? Any problem? हाँ, अभी आपको लग रहा है कि ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा, आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे, बहुत ही आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा. यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड, राइट, and do the practice. Okay, now next is what? Next one is also next is, here you see, next question, this one, last, Empire of Aladdin Khalji. Now listen it carefully, right? Listen it carefully. Actually from this area, right, this area, जो ये थोड़ा ब्लैकिश येलो है, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, ये एरिया जो है आपका, ये एरिया जो है, यही है अलादीन खलजी का स्टेट, राइट, दैट इज द स्टेट, right, that is the state that you have to complete it. Okay, now I think you have understood it clearly. I am going to unmute you all. If you have any problem, right, if you have any